Hello, we are standing in the lobbyway of our hotel room at the Grand Californian Resort and Spa here in Anaheim, California, in the Disneyland Resort. I know, hypocrite for wearing my Disney World shirt, but what I want to do, we have a king room premium pool view. I want to just kind of show you around, kind of give you an idea of when you come to Disneyland, if you stay at the Grand Californian, this is a room you could expect. We have already kind of moved in, so you're gonna see like our stuff, but that's fine. Let's show you around. When you walk in, we have an adjoining room right here. Well, we're gonna walk in right here and walk into the main part of the room. We then can approach the bathroom, which, hello, there I am. As you can see, tons of storage down here. You've got your dual sink, which is great. All your soaps, anything you want right here. If you do makeup, you can use this mirror, which extends from the wall, or you can look at your face in like super close up, which is really creepy. Not really creepy. Then you have the wonderful bathroom, which has this door that opens and closes. It's very heavy. It's like actual wood, which is exciting. But it's a rain shower. And you have your normal shower head. Chip and Dale are playing with some oranges. And it's a great shower. It's very bright, very vibrant. It's exactly what you want. The bathroom, highlight for sure. On this right side, you can see there is a closet, which we have hung our Predator jerseys up in. But it has robes, it has lots of space, just where you can keep stuff. And it has a safe back here if you want to use that type of thing. I don't know if people actually use the safe. Here you have a Keurig with coffee. You have an ice maker. You can come into this drawer, and this is where you see the coffee and the cups and the creamer and all this fun stuff. And then down here, these are that drawer is soft closing. Down here you have a refrigerator. Obviously you have like your work desk space, whatever you would like, and just a normal desk to store stuff with a TV that, of course, you can have all your Disney hits playing on the whole time. Another mirror to examine yourself. I love this setup. If I come over here, you can see I have one of the lights on. If I turn this one on, you can see that they're both here. I love the orange grove that sits behind the bed, and I love how it feels great. I love Chip and Dale on the little walls. That is fantastic. Great little side tables and great artwork that just make you feel so happy. This is, like I said, the king bedroom. We have already kind of jumped on the bed. Long day, so we are tired. So we were laying down. This is another really cool thing. This chair and this couch both fold into beds. This one, I'm not going to go all the way because it's a lot of work. But when you pull this down, and it's really easy to do, there is a bed underneath here that you can pull all the way down, and some really cool artwork that when Amelia and I saw it, we were like, wow, that's gorgeous and amazing, and we loved it so much. So we really thought that was a neat touch. Another cool thing is this art right here. Very much oranges, which is awesome because it represents kind of what was in this place before Disney was here, an orange grove. Another great feature is under the beds. Notice we have our bags underneath there, right down there. It's so much storage to keep your luggage underneath the beds. Some more artwork over here. This chair also pulls out. I'm not going to pull this one out, but if I come over here, you can see that this is a Hideaway Bed that you can pull out. So this room actually sleeps 5 easily, or 4 easily. Don't know why I said 5. 2 in that bed, 1 here, and it sleeps 1 here. That's comfortable. I would say 4 adults could sleep comfortably. Now we get to one of the greatest parts, is the premium pool. You come out here to the balcony, and I know it's dark outside, so forgive me for that, but here are the pools. You have just kind of the casualty of the pool. It's gorgeous out here, but the premium view comes, and I know you can't really see, but over here, You can see Grizzly River Run, or the Grizzly Peak, and off in the back, Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. And you can hear the music and smell the smells, and it's awesome. This is a highlight, and like, if you're gonna stay in this hotel, you need a room that faces California Adventure. If you don't, then it's just sad. I'd say it's worth it. I know that was a super short room tour, but I know it's casual. Not a huge room, but like, just being here is so calming. The smell is just like so Disney hotel, exactly what you want. A great hotel. You've got to stay here if you come to Disneyland, at least once in your Disneyland life. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button, hit subscribe. We'll see you again real soon.